Hi, this dance is called Dive, choreographed by Herman Baso from Indonesia. There are 32 count, 4 walls, improver level line dance. There is one take and restart after 16 count on wall 4 with 4 count take, which is fifth step, and then on wall 2 restart on wall 6 and 8 after 16 count. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's start with the section 1. Section 1, hitch, cross, recover, hitch, side, recover, hitch, cross, recover, hitch, side. Continue with cross, shuffle, half turn to right, cross, shuffle. Okay, let me repeat with a count. Section 1. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. Tutorial. Big sides to the left and then hitch, side sachet, and then cross, quarter turn to left, back, side, close touch. Okay, with a count. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Walk forward, right, left, continue with forward mambo, and then 2 touch left foot back and make half turn to left, change weight to the left foot, and then step right foot forward, quarter turn to left, and recover on the left foot. Okay? Okay, with the count. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. Botafogo. Right, Botafogo left, and cross, quarter turn to right, back, side, forward. With a count. Section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me repeat with the count whole section. Section 1, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there is one take, 4 count after 16 count on wall 4, which is fifth step. Out, out, in. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all the tutorial of my new choreo called Dive. I hope you enjoy the music, the choreo, and I look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.